Hi viewers, welcome to Max IELTS tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of our channel, then subscribe our channel without fail. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the so-called most difficult part in speaking, that is the cue card round. We will be discussing a recently asked cue card question. Let's first discuss about how the cue card round will go. In the cue card round, once you're given the question, you will be given a minute time to prepare to speak on the given topic, after which you are expected to speak at a length of 2 minutes. In that 1 minute given to you, you will be aided with a paper and pen so that you can make notes of what you want to speak. And you can also have a glance at the paper now and then and can express the answer for the given question. Having all this in mind, now we shall start discussing the cue card question. The question goes like this: describe a time when you first talked in a foreign language. Where were you? Who you were with? What did you talk about? And explain how you felt about it. Now we shall see how to expand the given questions so that we are able to speak at a length of 2 minutes. Whatever may be the question given to you, you will have to try to divide the given question into smaller questions using the WH question, such as what, why, where, who, and whom. But remember, you can frame as many as WH questions, but shouldn't forget to address any of the question that is given in the question set. Now, let's start expanding our given question. The first question goes like this: what is your thought about speaking a foreign language? When and where did you have a chance to learn a foreign language? How long did you learn the language for? Where did you speak the language for the first time? Who were with you? And explain how you felt about it. Now, let's see how to expand these questions into valuable answers. The question is, what is your thought about speaking a foreign language? I feel that learning a second language is always beneficial as it leads to increased creativity, improve analytical skills, fostering cultural awareness, and developing global relationships. When and where did you have a chance to learn a foreign language? I actually had a chance to learn French in my college when I was doing my undergraduation. I had to select a course from any department other than mine, and so I had chosen to learn French. The third question states that how long did you learn the language for? So, I had taken up French course during my first and second year of college and had also gone for a private tutorial class for a year. Moving to the fourth question, where did you speak the language for the first time? I barely had touch with the language after my college days. Almost after 4 years, had a chance to speak in French when I had been to Pondicherry, where I had to have a negotiation with the shopkeeper. The next question is, who were with you? Actually, I was accompanied by my family members, and so it was they who were with me. Moving to what did you talk about? I had been to a shop and I had to negotiate the price of a wall decor and also inquired about the shopkeeper's family and a good French restaurant to have lunch. The next question is, explain how you felt about it. I really felt happy and understood the importance of learning different languages and felt slightly proud as well. Now, let's have a look at the sample answer. My strong belief on learning a second language is that it really has many benefits like increasing creativity, improving analytical skills, fostering cultural awareness, and develops global relationship. When I was pursuing my undergraduation, I had the chance to learn French. I had to select a course from any department other than mine so that I had chosen to learn French. I had it as my elective subject during my first and second year of my college, and after that, I had developed a lot of interest on this language, which has pushed me to learn the advanced level of French for an additional 1 year in a private tutorial center. Though the interest for the subject always sparkled in me, I couldn't continue practicing conversing in the language after I started off with my professional front, as English was the language of communication in my office. After almost 4 years after graduating, I got married and had a chance to go on a trip to Pondicherry, where I had the chance to speak in French for the first time when I had to negotiate with a French shopkeeper. As I mentioned already, since I went after my wedding, it was my husband and my in laws who had accompanied with me. And so it was they who were with me when I spoke French for the first time. As you would have known, Pondicherry was a French colony, so there are still many French people who are residing over there. I'm an art loving person, and since Pondicherry had a mixture of both Indian and French culture, I wanted to purchase a lot of art pieces from there. I was very impressed with a particular piece of wall decor which I very badly wanted to purchase, but the rate was too costly, and in addition, noticed that the shopkeeper was selling the same type of decor to the French tourist at almost half the rate. So that is when I had negotiated for the price in French. Once I started conversing in French, he was surprised, and so he sold it for half the rate. He had also appreciated me for my French accent, after which we had created a good rapport. My family was really interested in knowing about the shopkeeper's family as he was a foreigner. So I was inquiring about his family and how they had migrated to India and got settled over here. I personally love to eat French cuisine, and so had asked him some recommendations of good restaurants where French dishes could be available. So this is my first experience about talking a foreign language for the first time. Hope the video was informative. And if you like the video, please like and share our video and do subscribe our channel without fail. And click on the bell button to get notifications of our future videos. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Until next time, have a happy learning.